Basic English Grammar, Lesson 3. Topic: the simple past tense. Part 2. Recognizing and understanding the simple past tense. Up till now, we've been focusing a lot on the forms of the simple past tense. It's time to talk more about what the simple past tense means. We often use the simple past tense to describe a finished action. Example, she put the candy back. We're focusing on the completion of the action, not the process. We also use the simple past tense to describe a series of actions, meaning one after the other. Example, she put the candy back, picked up the apple, and began to eat it. Here we have a series of 3 actions: put, picked up, and began to eat. Watch, listen, and answer. This time you will watch the same video from part 1, but you will answer questions about why the simple past tense is used. Question 1. Jennifer was at the kitchen table. What does the verb was tell us? Choose A or B. Answer: B, a past state or condition. Question 2. She wanted to eat something. What does the verb wanted tell us? Answer: B, a past state or condition. Question 3. She took out a piece of candy. What does the verb took tell us? Answer: A, a past action. Question 4. She put the candy back and took the apple. What did the verbs put and took tell us? Answer: A, the actions were finished. Question 5. That was a good choice. What does the verb was tell us? Answer: B, Jennifer had a choice in the past. She made it. Bonus question. Jennifer didn't eat the candy. Did she eat the candy? Answer: B, no. The last question you answered was about recognizing and understanding the simple past tense in the negative. We use did not plus the base verb. For example, did not take, did not see, did not look. The contraction or short form is didn't. So didn't take, didn't see, didn't look. These short forms are used in informal writing and speaking. The exception is the verb to be. The full forms are was not, were not, and the contractions are wasn't, weren't. Now let's try an exercise to review everything that we've learned so far. Exercise for review. Correct the mistake in each statement. Example, I were at home yesterday. The mistake, were. The correction, was. Now you try to find the mistakes and make the corrections. Number 1. My brother visited me last night. The mistake, visited. The correction, visited with 1 T. This is a spelling mistake. 2. My brother and I was hungry. Mistake, was. The correction, were. My brother and I, that's a compound subject. 3. I cooked dinner in the kitchen, and then my brother carried everything to the dining room. The mistake? Carried. The correction? Carried with an I. Another spelling mistake. 4. We eated soup, steak, and potatoes. Mistake? Eated. Correction? Ate. Eat is an irregular verb. 5. We didn't had dessert. Mistake? Had. Correction? Didn't have. We need didn't plus the base verb. Okay, we're not quite done yet with this lesson. Please go on to the next part so we can talk about asking questions in the simple past tense.